Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and here in this video I am going to do unboxing of this uh, chain sprocket kit of Yamaha FZ. So this kit is used in many models of Yamaha, so you can see here all the models. Here what we are getting inside this kit. And first, what is the cost of this kit? So its cost MRP is 1676, but after discount I got this kit for 1400. So what we are getting inside? So here, yeah, again one more packet. So what we are getting inside? Nicely packed. So here we are getting the driven sprocket, and this is 40 tit model, so you can see its quality. Okay, and after that, here in this packet we are getting the driving sprocket, okay, and this chain, and we don't have that lock and all in this kit. So we are getting 3 items: chain, sprocket, driving sprocket, and driven sprocket, and its cost is 1600 MRP something, 1600 something. And this is jointless chain. So here we don't have any lock here, so you can see this is jointless. So this is the jointless chain. No, this is actually having joint. So this is having joint, you can see here. So here is the joint. Last time I installed that Yamaha Genuine, so in that joint was not there, but in this joint is there. You can see here joint is here. Okay. So jointless chain is slightly difficult to install, but this is joint type, so it is easy to install. And here, whenever you are changing the chain and sprocket kit, must check your old coupling rubber. So here I bought the new coupling rubber, old is damaged, so its cost is 92 rupees. Okay, so what we are getting inside? So this is just a coupling rubber, you can see here. Its quality is very good. So if you will not change it, you will hear some noise from this coupling and chain. So must check the old coupling. If it is damaged, must replace it with the new one. Okay, so please like this video, share it among your friends and family, and at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.